Bro, Jer's flying. I'm up $866.
What's your entry?
Bro, at 10,450. It's at 10,721. On the 0.03 lock. Perfect entry.
Let me check. Why not? Show me.
I entered off the resistance. A little bit above the resistance. And I put a buy stop. And bro, that shit flew up. And went straight into entry, bro. Shit was crazy. So this is risk-free. Stop loss at entry. Well, a little bit, because the when it opened back up, it had like a break up. So I put my entry at that break. The gap. So I'm just chilling.
Yeah, it's got entry today. That's it. Got gold last night, I think. Some people got it. Tapped 90.
What the? No.
Yesterday on stream, I was like, oh, I think gold's gonna probably tap 30.
No.
I was like, gold's gonna tap. I think you were there. I was like, yo, gold's gonna tap 30, and then eventually come down range a little bit, and then eventually tap back to the 1600 areas. People are like, what? Yeah, once it breaks this low, it should continue coming down to like, I don't know, I think 80 area or something, or 73. 73 can get tapped today during the stream. Because for some reason there's a lot of volume today. I don't know why. Yo, send me your J 30 chart.
You said send it?
Yeah. Should not. I'll look at it right now, real quick.
Chart?
Oh, you're gonna buy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just be careful of this area. At the resistance.
Yeah. I'll just look at that shit right now on fucking trading view. I'm about to get out, bro.
Yeah.
I'm sleepy as fuck.
Huh?
Yeah, cause
I can give it.
yeah, bro. I'm getting out. I just see fucking major resistance right now. I'm out. Tops is done for today.
Yeah, because the tap is like resistance area, so like.
Yeah, this is right there at resistance. I do not.
I doubt this is gonna tap today. I think it's gonna range a little bit, and eventually like come down to here or something. But I don't think it's gonna break this because it's pressuring pre-New York, so it's like kind of. I don't know.
Yeah, bro.
It might, but I think gold has a push because the 4 hours breaking the low right now. Just if you answer now, where your stop's gonna be. Not to be 100 pip stop. Or like a, I don't know, at least like a 50 or 50 stops.
Oh yeah, it broke that support.
Yeah. Like I caught a sell last night from here, but I couldn't like really. I went to sleep. Right, I'm like, there's no point. So I tapped this area. But GJ, like, if I got on a stream earlier, I would have probably. Cause I got on like at like around 7 a.m. I was like, I got on earlier at 6 something. After 7 a.m., I was like, oh cool. This candle closed bullish at support. This is my entry right there on this candle. After this stops below here and price just respected that low. And also this is a candle that pushed itself up. The next candle. After this is a new hourly candle, so I'm like, okay, price probably we're gonna push during pre-New York. And that was a push. After during New York, it might just continue pushing up more. Maybe it's like this area. But it's like kinda hard here. This is where it gets hard. But here it's just like pretty simple.
Yeah, I could get better, a little bit better right there, or you be finding the entries for the Bob.
Yeah, it was pretty like, yeah, cause like, kind of not as like easy. It's not like a simple break and retest. It's like, just price was making like higher highs in the 15. Like this kind of closed bullish. That once the second kind of closed bullish, I knew that this low is gonna get respected, cause that's the low of like the range, right? Of like the 4-hour range. It's like the low of it. I'm expecting, okay, price is probably gonna respect this area and continue back up to touch the demand zone, supply zone up here. So I'm like, oh, price is probably gonna tap that area. But it's just that my TP is here because we might have some trouble up here. Yeah, it's a pretty cool entry. Pretty 2 trades for a day. Well, one is my first trade of the day. I don't know where these guys are at though. Where's Jimmy at? Like, they're gonna wake up pissed because shit's moving today. Yeah, gold's gonna probably break this low and continue down. US 30 is probably gonna tap this area up here. Imager. I'm just watching GJ right now. It's pretty lit. What up? What up? Good morning. Good morning.
Ooh.
Yeah, pretty good entry on here.
Bro, I got a 65-inch yesterday for $100.
You what?
I got a 65-inch TV for $100.
Oh, for real? Yeah, they're hella cheap right now, no?
No, I got it from my friend.
Oh wait, 65? Oh, that's for 100. That's pretty good.
It's crazy. I'm big as the damn room.
Wow, what happened? He didn't want it?
No, cause he work at Dish. You got Dish in Canada?
Nah,
Cox?
nah.
Well, he worked for a cable company, and he installs TVs and shit.
Oh, you got a free one?
Yeah, well, basically he got a free one because the damn cord was like getting pinched by the stand or whatever, and the people didn't see it, so they was like they just gave it to him because it kept cutting in and out and shit, and they gave it to him, and he plugged it in, got a new cord and everything. That shit works. That shit's crazy. They've been on all night. So
That's hella blessed.
yeah, it's cool.
Somebody asked, do you think US 30 is gonna fill the gap? I wouldn't sell right now and I wouldn't buy right now. Is what I could tell you, because we just had a big move, and like I don't expect a Friday New York session to make a push down, like back down here. It might come down to like 24100, 2400 around this area, 2 for 1. But if it does go up, because obviously, because look, just think of it as this: we're in a range right now, like we're in this range. We have a top of resistance, and we had a support here. Price is coming back into the range, so this candle has a high chance of coming back up to tap the top of the range, like this. But like once it breaks this range, then yeah, you can say, well, it's gonna buy. But like just below here is probably gonna like price gonna come down. But like above here, price probably gonna come back up. Cause oh, Jimmy's here.
Damn. Yes, sir.
Bro, why are you up?
Nah, bro. I woke up and now I'm like, all right, bro. I'm finna get on like 5 more, like quick minutes of sleep. Hell no.
Yeah, I went back. I was gonna say I got in GJ buys. I was like, yo, where these guys at? How you gonna miss this buy?
Are you back?
It's the cleanest
Wait, you
buy.
stream, right?
What?
Are you streaming right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like, this was the cleanest buy. I'm like, yo, Jimmy, wake up, bro. I was like, yo, Sam, wake up. Where you guys at?
Yeah, that was flip it out.
Yeah, she was so bullish. It's kind of close bullish at support. It was like 100% guaranteed entry. It's already entered. I'm like rounding up to here. Like price just there's like a level of small resistance, but price should just come up. I was like, where you guys at?
Dang, I should have took that sell.
The sell last night, right? We talked about it.
Shit, smash
During
TP.
Asian.
I don't touch gold.
Oh, gold. Oh,
I
that
don't
signal.
touch it.
Yeah, I went to sleep. I couldn't really. I guess I had to close. It should tap if it breaks this low right here, which it did. It should tap like come down to like maybe 78 area, 73 around this area.
Bro, I'm ready to take this fucking cast off.
Yesterday during the stream, I was like, yeah, gold's probably gonna tap 30 area and just come down in range a little bit because I don't think it has to push. After this shit came straight down. Right after that buy we caught, it just went straight down. After we had this strong support here. After once price broke that strong support, I was like, oh shit, could be coming back to the 1600 areas. You know what that means though? 1600 means that Uzi's gonna drop. That Uzi gonna drop on Monday. Thanks for that insight. Thank you. Juyu was nasty. What happened? It went up? Went down? What happened here? Ooh, shit, could have a nice entry here. Yeah, same thing as GJ, I think. Same move. Look at. Yeah, I might take partials here. Oh, I got. Yeah, I closed already. Yeah, I'm on this trade, guys.
Man, that fucking GJ shit fucking.
I closed here with 30 pips.
Uppity moonwalking on money.
Yeah, guys, I'm not in this trade anymore. I am.
What?
I closed. I'm gonna wait for this hourly candle to close bullish. After I'm probably gonna pop another buy in because this wick's gonna fill probably. If it closes like this is a perfect buy. My stops would be right here, and I'm anticipating that price is gonna come back up to here to retest the high. Cause like the 15 closed bearish and it broke the low, so I'm expecting this to be like a low pullback. 30 minutes gonna close bearish, but the 1 hour is gonna close bullish, and it's probably gonna come back up to fill this wick. Cause it's bullish, and then yeah, that's why I closed all my positions right there, 30 pips. But that's all I'm looking at. Cause I'm just expecting this to close bullish. We have 25 minutes still left, so anything can happen. We have one whole 30-minute candle. So just be uncareful. We might tap support right here.
Yeah, US 30. Shoot.
No, I gotta see if it's gonna break that resistance, or if it's gonna.
Because right now, it's
Or
just doing
it's-
like a pullback to shoot higher, bro. Because that
I took
company
profit.
found a cure, bro.
I don't know about that.
This is the worst fucking. Oh, man. People finna get hit with the whoop-de-whoop, bro. The whoop-de-whoop.
Yeah, I think as long as this low doesn't break, it should go up. Like this
Nah,
candle.
bro. I'm telling you,
This
once
candle.
the line 30 hit, bro, you finna get hit with the worst fucking pullback ever, bro. They setting people
I
up
got
right
it, bro.
now.
I call all that shit. I put a
What's
I
oil
made
at?
800.
Is that 16?
Last
How
time?
much money I made?
I don't even
I made
know.
eight. I made fucking how much money I made right now? $853, Jimmy.
Sheesh. The king.
'Cause I put a buy limit. I put a buy limit on 10,450. And it should shot up to 10,712. So
Sheesh.
yes,
Like
sir.
a sniper.
Yeah, it broke resistance. Yeah, it broke resistance, bro. Broke hella
Damn.
resistance. I thought oil was gonna do the same thing, but that shit went the opposite way. What the fuck?
Price has to respect this low to go higher. Does everyone see that on screen? Making sure. Because once it breaks this low, then it's probably gonna drop. It's gonna come down to 24, and then eventually comes down further. But if it respects this low, because this is so-called a fake out, price has a chance to fill its range and eventually come up further. As it looks like it should respect this low. Thanks for the insight. You said making that drop. Please just doing exactly what you said right now. Save me. Caught 500 gap. Nice as fuck. Yeah, man. Just I don't know. If you were to enter a buy, your stops would have to be here. Like that's it. It would have to be like a 500 point stop, and that's a tight stop for US 32. But like the move for it to go up is not that big. It's like a 1,000 point move, right? But like if this
don't let it enter right now. Let
buy?
them see if it's gonna go to that resistance. I mean, go to that support right there. If it breaks that, then enter. But if it breaks that, you gotta see if it breaks.
Yeah, cause like yeah,
range.
if this is a support formed right here, because we have to see how this candle closes, but if it closes bullish anywhere here, then it should continue going up to fill its range, because the chances of it filling this range is like an 85% chance. And I'm saying that like not just because like I'm just saying it. I'm actually saying it because I've this is like an entry I usually take for buys or sells, whatever. One of my entries. Yeah, it's a fake out. That's what it is. It's a fake out to go up, because price broke below the range and now it came back into the range. The chances of it coming up is high, right? If it doesn't come up, if it doesn't respect this low right now, then I'm not gonna say that this move is 85% chance of working out. I'm just sometimes it doesn't work, but like the chances of it going up is very high. I just have to respect this low.
Bruh, KLT fucked people over, bro.
KLT is sus.
Bruh,
Put it
they
that way.
fucked people over.
They're sus. That's why I dropped them. And people just say, yeah, KLT's a good broker. You can say whatever you want.
Fuck KLT, bro. And Osprey did that same shit with oil, but that's all I'm touching on. Shit like that can happen, bro.
Yeah, my broker did not have that at all. It goes to 16. Oh, who was on the stream yesterday?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, no, my bad. I was talking to the streamers. I was saying how yesterday on the stream that price could touch this area this week. This exact support. Yeah.
Caught the top of the bar on a point 30. It was up 1,800 in 10 minutes. Shit looks fun.
Yeah, like looking at it, like it was pretty like I wasn't really watching oil, but like looking at it, it's like it made sense. This kind of broke the low, wick down. This kind of broke the low of that one. There would have been a sell stop right there with stops above here, and would have been in. But my TP, if I were to enter oil in this position up there, would have been like probably 19.50. Like, I don't think I would have been here. The daily was breaking the lows already, but like I don't know. The daily's bearish as fuck. I wanna hold oil long so bad. You gotta be careful, my friend, because I'm still expecting 1600. You gotta be careful. I'm still expecting this area to get tapped once it breaks the support. It might take like another week or so to maybe range a little bit, but it should hit 1759 area. Like that's my target. And I mentioned 17 area when price was like back at 20 something. Like at first it was I mentioned from 50, I mentioned it's gonna come down to 45, and after I didn't watch it for a little bit, but then I seen like when it was at like around 30, I was like, oh, price is gonna come down to 16. People are like, what the fuck are you talking about? I was like, oh, no. But like obviously I just analyzed it. I don't really touch oil as much. When I do touch oil, it's usually a swing. I don't really scalp oil.
Damn, bro, I wish I caught or at least
Oh no,
oil yesterday.
oil's pretty easy, bro. That's why I started liking oil, because it's pretty easy with
And
zones.
you guys just like fast pairs. US 30,
It's not
oil,
even
Jer
fast.
30. Nah, oil is pretty like, it's faster than gold. Anything faster than gold is considered fast. I think gold is considered fast too.
Scary as hell.
Yeah, oil is pretty scary, bro. Well, not scary, but like it's pretty like volatile. I need a new broker. You should Google.
FX choice.
They're regulated, yeah, but the leverage is one to 200. You guys could just, I don't know, like the brokers I have around me is like FX Choice, Vantage FX, KLT, but I don't use it anymore. Hugels kind of sucks.
Bless you.
You got
Shit.
IC Markets. You got. Does IC Markets have
No, no.
Americans?
No, don't trust it. Don't trust it.
Why? They're regulated though. It's like Vantage.
Bruh.
Like there's, I don't think it's, I don't know.
No, IC markets is a lot of issues that people are talking about. Don't trust it.
I swear they're regulated though. LMFX,
they're
oh my,
regulated.
don't trust LMFX, man. They're unregulated. I don't know. It's up to you. Like I don't know. They both they're gonna pay you either way, you know. Like, these brokers are gonna pay you regular or regular. They're gonna pay you either way. It doesn't matter. Like
FX choice, man.
yeah, FX shows I had them before. They're pretty good. Why did you stop using KLT? Because they're just one. I don't trust Q banks. It's his broker. It's a B-book broker. And also I don't trust it's unregulated too. And I've seen some shit happen with like during the past couple months. I've seen shit that happened to my trades.
Bruh. Same. I'm telling you, bruh. I think
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just terrible. I ain't never trust them after that day, bro.
Like it's not bad. Like KLT is not bad unless it'll pay you. It doesn't even really matter. Like they'll withdraw you the deposit as long as that works. You're fine. But when you're dealing with like bigger amount of money, then you know. ICM. I haven't really touched them. Did you touch them, Jimmy? ICM. You know that broker?
No.
I don't know that broker.
Never heard of it. Yeah, but don't touch IC markets, man. It does like a lot of weird such shit lately. Like they don't let people withdraw for like I think 2 weeks.
Ted uses them before, and Raja. No, ICM is ICM is IC Markets. My fault. Yeah.
But yeah. No, it was like a situation where I was like, it was a little bit weird. I was like, wait, they're not letting their own people withdraw for 2 weeks. Huh? Huh? Something I adding up. Yeah, shit. I trust my broker, you know, they fucking unregulated.
Yeah, let's say users can respect the support. I'm gonna enter his buy. Oh, well, I'm not entering a buy. I'm gonna put it on a screen, see how it plays out. You guys can feel free to copy, whatever. But I'll put this in the trades that I called. And like I'm telling you guys, the chances of it filling the range is 85%. But the chances of it breaking this range and continuing further up is a 75% chance. I'm probably gonna touch this area, probably looking at it. 24,555. Like if it does break this resistance up here, price has to break the support because this candle, 30-minute candle, had no top wick, meaning this is probably a pullback to go up. But the 1 hour expecting is low, so it's also have to be here. But I'm not in this trade, and I'm not trading US 30 right now. But yeah, you guys could. Why did DJ have to retrade?
Today, bro. I'm done.
US 30?
I already made my money, bro. I'm done. In and out, in and out.
Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here.
Come down.
I'm gonna go blade. Stupid blade. Cause look, I got like 4 alarms set, right? So I was like, yo, this is my 5 o'clock alarm, so I can get in
What
like
time do you sleep?
20 minutes of sleep. Huh?
20
I
minutes?
wanna sleep.
What?
Shit.
How do you trade at 20 minutes of sleep?
No. I said, I have a 5 o'clock alarm. And then I was like, I'm gonna get in like 20 minutes more sleep real quick. Cause I thought it was my 5 o'clock alarm. Hell no, that shit was my fucking 7 o'clock alarm. I'm like, no.
Bro, I just automatically just be waking up. Like, nigga, I just woke up and that was on perfectly.
Of course
As
I'm
soon
on.
as he sent the link, I was on. I don't drop my damn computer. Forgot I had my computer on my bed. My damn computer.
Oh, fuck.
My ass up.
Yo, I dropped my phone. I was scalping last night. I was scared as fuck, bro. Yo, nah, it was just like one scalp. I'm like, fuck, bro. I dropped the phone, and I was like, yo, I was falling asleep too. I'm like, fuck. I'm sleepy as hell. I'm scalping. This is not a good combination, bro.
Hell no, you need to do something, man.
I just got that $5 and went to sleep. Fuck that. Cause I was in like negative. Shit. It's like negative 20. It was a bad entry. Shit. Got that $5 and dip. Straight to sleep. Just flatten the curve, they say. Bro, next week's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, next week should be a good week. I mean, this week
How
was,
about
I wasn't
you,
expecting this week to be a good week because of a short week. Because Monday was gonna train it, but the next week should be like a normal good week. Very good week.
Look at next week, bro. All that GDP news, all that UFC
Yeah.
news. But Thursday, that shit's gonna be hell, bro. 32 news events.
32?
Orange and reds. Yeah, orange and red ones too.
Oh, this. Yeah, it's a lot of shit. Vantage is good. Yeah, Vantage is very good. Best broker out there. Regulated, not sus. It's all good. Got all my withdrawals. Got everything. They're not as quick, but they're still good.
Another regulated one is Awanda. My friend uses it. So it's pretty good. Regulated. But it's just like the leverage like 1 in 100.
Which one?
Awanda.
Oh yeah. It's a good broker, but it's just the leverage. I need I need a 1 to 500 leverage. I can't do anything less. Like maybe like I can do like 1 to 200, but like I'd rather just have a 1 to 500 just to have it.
Yeah.
Cause I don't over leverage or anything, but like some people here they need a 1 to 1000.
Hell no. I would fuck myself if I had 1 2,000. Scary thing.
Damn, I already shit. Yeah, I need to take this shit off. Oh shit.
You 1 perk away from taking it off, Todd.
I'm off the perks. I'll take perks in like 3 days. It stopped hurting as soon as I got off the perks. Shit's crazy.
Oh, GG's well flight. It broke the high of this candle. It filled this way. It filled this range. Just think of GJ guys like this move right here, same thing as US30. Cause price made if you guys look, it's the same shit. Price made a resistance, then price made a support right here. Price broke that support but came back into the range. Then the range got filled, and once the range gets filled, this candle should break resistance. As it's 75% chance of breaking resistance to tap this top area. It's the same concept as US30. I think US30 is yeah, US30 is in profit if you ever took that. This candle has no top wick, so it should flip bullish within the last 8 minutes. Continue up. Somebody asked if I got in GJ buy. Yeah, I got in a GJ buy again. Actually, I got in right here. I had a buy stop right here. Stops TP right here. And my stops are right here. It was a pretty aggressive entry, but my stops are risk free right now. And also the 30-minute is breaking the previous 30-minute high, so this kind of filled that wick and it should continue coming back up. I wasn't hoping for this scenario to come out. I was hoping for more of like this candle to close like a little bullish below here and enter a buy, but like this is fine too. I'll take it. Like a 10-pip move. Just entries like these, it's just gotta have them down. Pretty simple. Let me move my TP actually. Stop. You guys, let's see. The 1 hour on GJ closes in an hour. It closed bearish, but it might close bearish, but let's see. Wait, what do you say?
You mean 7 minutes, right?
Yeah. What did I say?
Yeah. He said an hour. I'm like, yo, you mean 7 minutes, right?
Nah, my bad. Yeah, I missed 7 minutes. Is there news coming up right now? Let's see.
No.
No, alright, yeah, there's no news. Should be all good. 10 a.m. news, minor news, should be good. This candle is currently coming up. This candle might close bullish. We're entering the second half of the 30-minute candle, in a 1 hour candle, so. Yeah, GJ tap target. Oh, there's my trade. Right there. I didn't really call it. I didn't really well, I didn't really display it on screen earlier because it was kind of an aggressive entry. Because the stops were a little too tight. Like I wanted to have a 1-to-1, so I put my stops right here. So I had a buy stop right here. Usually when I have a buy stop, I put my stop loss above the current candle low. I don't really put it below the previous. I put it above the current candle, and my anticipating that price is gonna tap this area. Because price made a topper, and it has to tap the top again. And this move is like the fake out, which is the same move as US30, and it's a pretty move that I'm very confident with. I usually enter like 80% of the time when I see it. Like US30 is currently flipping bullish, as you can see, and that move is a fake out come down. So if this candle closes bullish, then we have a high chance of the next candle continuing up to fill its range and then eventually break this resistance and come up to here. It might not be done during this New York session. It might just come up to this resistance, but the chances of it coming up to here is a high chance. So if you're entering down here, you might as well hold it, or hold half of your position up to here at least with the runner. Because what you're gonna see is this. You're gonna see like pretty much you're gonna see this. You're gonna see a candle come up. This candle's gonna come up. Next candle. Then it's gonna tap this area. It's gonna wake up like this. The next candle's probably just gonna like range a little bit. You might do some range. range, and then eventually once you get a breakout of that range, you can probably enter another buy up to here, right? But that's what's probably gonna happen. You might not get one push. If you do get a one push, that'll be cool. But you're probably gonna get a push up to here, range a little bit, maybe come down to like around entry, not near entry, but then eventually come up. But it shouldn't tap entry again because this is the bottom of the range. If it does tap entry again, then it's whatever. You guys had a chance to take profits. That should be the target. Your USDT looks kind of high to me. Maybe around. No, it's pretty close. It's not that high. Yeah. Yes, sir. Caught the same trade. Nice, bro. Nice. Good shit. It's pretty cool when people catch the same trades as you. It's like they see the same idea. This is my 2 trades of the day so far. Yesterday was not a trading day for me, and today's a trading day. You know, last night during Asian, I think I lost like 1% or 2% during Asian, and like that was like it. But I took 2 GG buys today, and also the trades that I took today was the same setup that I took yesterday on GG. So if your setup doesn't work one day, doesn't mean it's not gonna work another day. I'll take these trades all the time if I see them. 85% chance of playing no, so just take it all the time. Like this setup down here is pretty simple. Price made a support, closed bullish at support. This next candle broke the high of the previous bearish candle, and that was the entry right there for a buy up to this range. That was some resistance here, but then once this candle closed bullish and broke the high of this, because this is the hourly high, I entered another buy right here. So I had 2 entries for this trade. I had a third one up here. So I rode this move all the way up. Move all the way up. Check your USD. I caught a double top right at the top of your USD. You send me a chart with your entries and stop losses, and the label chart too. I'll check it out.
Bruh. This man's a fucking fiend.
What happened? Who?
My friend, bro.
Faber Cardi?
On the trade for 1 a.m. in the morning till 11 in the afternoon. Bro. No. No. No, the friend that I put on to trade, bro, I told him, I'm like, bro, the money always gonna be here, bro. You don't need to like, trade like basically all day type shit.
Yeah, like fucking, like I used to do that. I had to like cut it off. I had to like just force myself to trade 2-3 hours a day max. Cause yo, you can only make like 2-3 good decisions a day, you know? Like the human mind can only make like 2-3 good decisions a day. Then your mind gets tired out, starts making dumb decisions. And, like it affects trading a lot.
I told him, man, just take like 2-3 good quality trades and straight. You know, like he wanna scalp and shit, but yeah, I told him like don't like, overdo it type shit.
Whoever's in US 30, hold on real quick. Hold on. Whoever's in US 30, this kind of closes bearish. If it closes bearish, I'm gonna move stops to entry. Cause I was expecting it to close bullish. If it closes bearish, I'm moving stops to entry. I have like 5 seconds left. It should close bearish. So my stops are entry for US 30. I'm not. I'll suggest you guys move stops to entry too.
It's no bottom wick.
Yeah, the 1 hour closed bearish and the 30-minute closed bearish. This kind of, yeah, it made a bottom wick right here. But stops are at entry, right?
On the 15.
Oh, on the 15?
Yeah.
The previous candle, yeah, no bottom wick. But that was like, it's a new hourly candle now. So I think it's like, this candle, yeah, let's see what it does. But it closed, the good thing is that it closed bearish above support. So it respected that support still. But we gotta see how this kind of does. Right, so this kind of made a bottom wick and just shot up. So our stops is below that. So we like, just hold it, might as well, because we're barely in profit. So just might as well hold it. So it's a target. Because the analysis is still valid. It's just that it closed bearish, so it's like a little more risk is on the table now. For it not to come back down. But this 30-minute is breaking the high of this, so we have a very high chance. So this 30-minute is breaking the high of this. Once it breaks the high, it should come up to fill this area, and eventually fill this wick, and then eventually push up to fill this. The same move as GJ. Same shit happened.
Yeah,
So
bro.
it broke the high,
Totally
yeah,
bullshit, bro.
yeah. Would I enter again right now? No, I wouldn't enter again because the count still closed bearish, and I don't want to put my risk on the trade. So it still has a chance of coming down, even though it broke the high. Let's say it's a new day. Let's say it's a new trade. It's a new day. If I were to enter this trade, if I were to put a second entry, my stops would have to be down here, below the bottom wick. It can't be here. Or it can't be at entry. It wouldn't make sense. It has to be below here. So, like, that's why I wouldn't really enter this second entry. If you guys are liking the stream, please leave a like up. I'm trying to give you guys all the trades possible. Leave a like for Cardi dropping at me. Leave a like for Cardi dropping the Drake song today. Leave a like for Uzi dropping on Monday. Check the last. If you send me a link, I can't see it. So like, read the description and send like the last, like the ending numbers of the link, like the last You'll see in the description.
The part after the last dash.
Yeah, after the last like right dash. So just send that, cause I can't see links. YouTube blocks them. And if you're sending if you're sending a photo link like from MT4, then I think you gotta go on what's it called? What's that website that like makes your photos into links? I forgot, but just you can figure it out. It's called like smart. I forgot. What? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I see it. I got you. Let me just make this worse. Yeah, you sent 2 links. I'm not sure which one of the 2. I'm gonna do the second one. I'm gonna do the first one first. I see this chart. I love seeing charts. Oh, nice. You got a double. Got top of the entry.
Yeah, it broke his zone, so yeah, great entry.
Yeah. Pretty much just made a resistance, and then you enter down here at this resistance. It's kind of like a fake out, like fake out up to come down. Retest this. Yeah, it makes sense. And then eventually, yeah, just if I were to enter the trade personally, my TP would have been up here. Like I don't think I would have held it past this support area. But I guess if you had a runner, sure. And after we had this, and after it broke that, so it should be clear as day to have this. I mean, unless you're sending me a trade that you already took, then like there's no point of sending the chart, because this wouldn't really impress me. Like I like to see charts that you haven't took yet, like something that hasn't happened yet. There's no point of saying a chart that something already happened. It's like I'd rather see a chart that, that's like in progress, not done. But yeah, the trade makes sense. I can see that.
Bro, I flipping want to do some gold buys.
Nice. Huh? Gold buys?
Good,
yeah. Yeah. It's kind of close bullish at support. If you enter, your stops will have to be below here. You can buy it up probably to like around 95 area. It broke the high of this. Same entry I have for GJ at the bottom.
I'm not gonna touch it.
Why not, bruh?
Nah,
it's breaking the high. It made a support here. It closed bullish. Same entry I had on GJ. I'll enter a trade, but I already entered 2 trades today. Broke the high of this. If it breaks the high of this, it should clear to go up to here. It might have some trouble here, but then eventually it'll tap this area, and then eventually it'll tap this. if it has enough
Baby
strength.
lot.
Yeah, you can go baby light and test all it out, but like it's pretty bullish. I would have had a buy stop right here. My stop's like below here. Revenue close bullish. I support. It was an hourly too, so it's an hourly strong. I don't know. It's a little too late to enter now. I think it's coming up. Up to you. Yeah.
Take my ass back to sleep.
Nah, man. Stay on stream, bruh.
Bro,
Alright, at least go on the YouTube side and just play a stream while you're in bed and just close your phone. So I can get the
You said
extra
what?
view.
You said an extra view. I'll do it for your ass. Yeah.
Someone said I got a snapshot from
That's
before.
it.
What happened?
Was on there.
GGYY said he got a snap from before. Yeah, you could. Just next time, just send like a chart that the move hasn't played out yet. It would just make more sense. The point of sending charts is for me to give my input on it, give you some insight if there is any.
Oh shit. Hold on.
Jimmy got FOMO. He didn't enter yet. He's gonna enter right now.
Nope.
You didn't enter?
I'm not. Nope.
Yeah, if I were to enter the stream, my entry would have been like this. It's a high probable trade. Very high probable. Broke the high of this. Closed bullish at support. This should just go straight up to here. Here, or I'll put my TP here. Around here. Because then you're dealing with this resistance. But it might has enough strength to come up to here. It's the same setup as GJ down here on a 15 if you guys look at it. On 30, my entry down here. Closed bullish at support. Next candle broke the high. Simple. This candle closed at support. Next candle broke the high. Simple. So clean. If whoever took this trade, I don't know if you guys got in like around 1690, then you should put stops at entry. When you guys got in when I said so. This is a very high probability entry. Taj out. Oh, it's on the YouTube side. Nice.
Yeah, I was waiting for you to comment on my shit.
My boy. Man, I'm on point today, bro. Yesterday was like this is a boring range day. Yeah, see, US30 hit entry again. Yeah, we're out of trade. Yesterday was a boring day. Today it's just markets are just moving just nicely.
Yeah. Right now, US30 just taking out like some late fire, so that shit could shoot.
If he has to gold, I'll close right now. Right now. But yeah, it's target smashed. Later, bro. Later. Peace. Man, this is a nice trade. Jimmy, man. Joking.
I don't touch it, bro.
Oh, you can touch gold. I forgot. Yeah, you don't touch gold. You don't touch gold. You're right.
Touch it, bro. That's like.
Yeah, you don't touch it.
Story again, bro. Yeah, already know.
Now I don't know the story. What happened? Why don't you touch gold?
Alright, so on KOT, right?
Oh wait, yeah. I got it. Yeah, you told me. Say it again for the viewers though.
Alright, so this is what happened, bro. This is why I do not touch KOT. But if you like KOT, then stick to it. Alright. So this is what happened. So I put a sell in before I went to sleep one night, right? I put the stop as a 15 pip stop, and then the TP was like a 20 pip TP. I woke up, it smashed SL. I'm like, alright, then it's just 10 pips. I mean, 15 pips. I ain't stressing it.
Slippage.
It jumped over to SL. But the thing is, the trade hit TP, but KOT did not take it. Like, I wish I had the screenshot, but I deleted the account. But yeah, it hit my TP right, like perfectly. But KOT didn't like take profit like how it's supposed to, and then went straight like it gapped over SL. I'm like, what the fuck?
How many pips did it gap over by?
It jumped over like 20, 25 pips. I'm like, huh?
Holy fuck. You lost bear?
I lost 300 off that.
Holy fuck. Yeah.
Then I tried to talk to him. It's like, it's a slippage situation. I'm like, one, it was like no news or nothing. Two, y'all didn't respect my stop. There was like no news or nothing was going on. It was a freaking, I think it was like Tuesday or Wednesday night. I'm like, hell no, bro. I don't trust that shit. And after that, I'm like, I don't trust KLT. I don't trust limits anymore. I just do like straight execution now. I don't do buy stop, sell stop, and that shit. It's straight execution.
I mean, I think I'll blame it on KLT. I'll blame it on them.
Oh yeah, they like. That's why I just do straight execution now. I don't do that limits. I don't do it. Stops, limits, all that shit. Straight execution.
Can you run through a gold trade? I got you. Trade's called US 30. Break even. Gold. This is like 40 pips. Plus 40 pips. Yeah, so pretty much on this gold trade, I labeled it already, but let me break through it again. It was pretty, it's the same, if you just look at like the structure of the overall structure, you're gonna see that it's exact same thing as GJ. That's my exact same entry as GJ. Like I said, I would enter this trade 1,000 times if I seen it 1,000 times. It's just I entered 2 trades already, and they're both wins, so I'm kind of just chilling, you know. But you see how on GJ this candle closed at support, and then the next candle broke the high of that resistance, and just tearing up, because like this support was got respected in the past many times, right? So it tapped the support, but then this candle closes bullish at support. Once it closes bullish, you can probably say, okay, price has a high chance of reversing. So then the next candle would be get entry with your stops below here. Same thing for gold. This candle closed bullish at support. Where is it? This candle closed bullish at support. After the next candle broke the high of the previous candle. Like this candle closed support, the next candle broke the high of this. See that wick? That's the high. You would have had buy stops right there with stops below here. And then you would have bought it up until this resistance area right here. Like I said, price is gonna struggle to pass this, but it can probably come up to touch this area later. But that's why my TP was here, and it just tapped it and went down a little bit. So that's what I meant by struggle. It might not be a clean. Cause I like to look for clean moves. I like to look for that just one push and just tap TP, right? So that's why I put my TPs where they are. I would have put my TP up here, but it's just price might just take a while, and I'm just impatient. But that's how it's kind of like a fake out. If you think about it, pretty much price made a support, made a resistance. Price made a support. Kind of closed bullish, bearish, below it, came back to the range, fill the range. So price has a high chance of coming up to fill this range now. This will be the next target if it breaks this area. So be looking on that. If you miss gold, don't worry, you can still catch more opportunities because price has a high chance coming up to here now. 15, back to 1704. So hope that answers your question about this.
Bruh.
What happened?
My job called me this morning. They was like, "Are you ready to work?" I'm like, "Bro, no, hell no. I'll catch y'all next Monday though. On Monday. Enjoy these last 2 days. 3 days.
Yeah, yo, like whenever they try to call you in early, it's like,
I'm like,
nah, man, well, work when my day is scheduled to work, man.
Hit me up out of nowhere. I was just turn on the game. I'm like, bro, what the hell? Are you ready to work? Like, sick ready to work, man. I feel like this work stays up. Just like how I've been doing.
Yo, remember that Christmas photo you had? The one of you with the seafood.
Huh?
Remember you had a seafood platter on that photo you posted on Christmas or something?
Yeah.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
Is that from your place?
Yeah, it's cool.
If you guys are from America, make sure you check out Jimmy's
no,
seafood
no
rush.
problem location. No problem location.
Yeah. Young Nudie was there.
Oh,
Quarantine.
I'm savage. Oh, no. Yeah, man. Don't worry. When you come to Atlanta, we're gonna eat up, bro. All of us.
Nah, I'm
Bro,
not.
alright.
Huh?
I changed my opinion on that Cardi song.
Yeah, I grew on you, right?
It's slick catchy.
Yeah, it's fire.
Like, I had to give it like a good 2-3 more times. And I'm like, alright, this shit's slick catchy, bro.
It is fire. I genuinely like it. This shit is.
Like, it's not fire. It's like, it's just good.
Alright, let's give it one more week. Next week, yo, Don, this shit's fucking fire. Yo, when the album drops, you're gonna be like, yo, this shit was fire. Cause they usually post like one of their best songs before Well, I hope it's not his best song, but they usually post one of their like
Uzi's
most.
on it, bro.
Of course, Uzi's on it. He has to be on it.
Bruh, look at his bio, right? Bruh, that's the song I told you about, man. That's it. Like, that's another name for the leak song. I'm like, bruh, this is it, bruh. I think I got the album.
Where?
That Google Drive I sent you, like, a few weeks ago.
Hold on, let me check.
I think.
Oh, I heard it. Yeah, I heard that. Heard most of them.
Bruh, Molly's so fucking hard. That shit's bad.
Yeah. Molly. I'm just waiting for this album, man. Wait for this Drake song. I'm not excited for this Drake song. I'm more excited for the album, but that Drake and Cardi song. You heard it?
Monday. Nah.
I hope it releases today. I feel like it might release today. I don't know. I think Monday's album. I don't want to play. I don't want to be that guy. Hey, I think it's gonna drop on this day at this time because this guy said this. So how's gold doing? Yeah. Dude. You guys see how gold's struggling to come up to here and just tap this resistance? It's gotta pay attention to the detail, you know, like think about it. We had a bunch of support here and this is a resistance, so like price might struggle to come up to here. It's gonna come to here eventually, but it's just are you willing to risk that pullback for it just to come up to here by like an extra 10 pips? And it comes down to that. It's like, would you rather close now and just secure the max profits, or wait for the pullback and maybe come down to here and just risk half of it and then for it to come up to here for an extra like 10 pips? See, it touched it, but it took like an extra like 5 minutes. It took an extra no, it took an extra 15 minutes. So yeah, now this candle, we're breaking the highs of this, so now we can target this area right here, 1704. It's just now if you enter, where's your exit gonna be? If you had a runner down here, you can run it up. So I told you guys, if you guys are in it, you might as well hold a runner up to here. Hold some like partial like right here.
It's like my half a G. I should have been. Please fuck.
GU.
Quarantine. Gonna break this 4-hour high. I mean, not 1 hour high.
Oh, GG's about to drop. The reason I say that is the 15 broke the low, closed Kayla. So look, this resistance We made a resistance here, right here. After we made a second, a little resistance right here, and after price made a support right here. But like this candle right here was like this candle currently. This one closed bearish, and this one is breaking the low of this one. So this one had a high chance of coming down to potentially this resistance area, support area right here. Tap this area probably, part of Phil's wick too. But if you were to enter this trade, it would have been on this candle, and your stops would have been above here. With targeting right here. Would have been a 1-on-1 trade. Makes sense, makes sense, makes sense.
You ever heard of Black Monday, right?
What's that?
It's like the day when stocks, like the week before it, like that '08 crash, stocks was rallying like this.
Oh yeah, Black.
On the next Monday, they
But
like fell to the floor. So bro, it's slick. That was happening in US 30. It's slick, like happening again. To be honest.
but that was like a recession though, no? This is just like a whole virus.
That was a financial crisis.
Yeah, this is a whole virus though.
Said,
I mean, it's not lead to that recession anyways.
You're already there,
Yeah.
basically, at this point. But yeah, bro. Monday gonna be. All I gotta say is, I see that shit selling. Shit. Cause this is the last day. It's gonna do all these pushes.
If this weekly closes bullish, like from a technical standpoint, if this weekly closes bullish, and it looking like it might come here, like within the next couple weeks, 25. Because weekly looks like it might close bullish. If it closes like this, where it is, this has a high chance of coming up to here. But like that's from a technical standpoint, right? Obviously I'm not gonna enter now. Just expect it to go up there. I gotta wait for like some, but yeah, like if whatever you're saying, the money thing, then I guess like from a technical standpoint, it's bullish, but
yeah, technicals and all that bullish, but it just looks like it's repeating itself, bro. So I'm not gonna touch it. But shit, whoever bought it from before the gap, eat up, champ.
Q Banks.
AUD USD.
If this weekly candle on GJ closes bullish like this, it's gonna be a good. I mean, gold next week should come up easily to Phil's wick. Easily. Look at the weekly. You had a resistance here. We broke that resistance on like last week, and then this week, if it closes bullish, like this wick's gonna like fill easily as long as it respects this low at 75 next week. Because the reason for it to buy last week was because same situation. We had a bearish candle, we had a resistance. Price broke above that resistance and respected this low, and that's why it candle closed bullish and filled this range right here. And once it filled the range, it just closed above it, showing us signs that this week was probably gonna be bullish as well. So that's why on Tuesday, I kept saying 1750 because that was like the next target. That's why I kept saying 1750. So next week, you guys can see me say it again. This is the first time I'm saying it this week, but I'm telling you guys, if this candle closes bullish like this, next week we should tap 1750 again. Not sure what day, but can't tell you what day, but we should tap if it closes bullish like this. So in case anyone thinks I'm just saying random prices, though, I'm not. I'm just looking at the technical standpoint, looking at where price could reach, and that's what I'm saying, target. And I'm not saying goals. I'm not saying buy now, hold it till 1750. I'm not saying that. I'm saying this is your target for next week. So your job now is to look for stop losses and entries. But first, you gotta wait for this candle to close in 8 hours. This is the weekly end. The market closes in 8 hours. So your job is to just look for next week. Look for entries and exits following up to 1750. You don't have to enter now. You just look for entries on your way up, and you have this whole wick to look for buys. So don't ask me when gold is like up here at 1750 and ask me, can I still look for gold buys? Like, you could have caught it up down here. But yeah, obviously if it fills its wick, then it has a high chance of coming further up. Cause like next week candles could be potentially like this. If everything closes where it is right now, if everything just closes like bullish like this, the next week's kind of gonna look like this. Gonna come up like this, and it's gonna fill this wick. As long as it respects this low. If it breaks this low, however, it's probably gonna come back down, like this area. But if it respects it, and closes bullish like this, it should come up to tap this area, this resistance. So we have like 8 hours left. Anything can happen within this candle, so we just wait on it. As for GJ is a little stuck in weird place because last week's candle closed bullish, and it broke the high of the previous candle. So my target this week was like actually this is my target, 36,700, but we didn't get there this week. So if this week closes bearish, then I guess like now you could say we have a resistance made. We have a cleaner resistance made, and we can probably draw a resistance right here, and you can probably draw a support down here. And you could say, well, if price breaks up above this resistance, above this candle, then you could say price is probably gonna head up to this direction right here and tap this target. You can say that, but yeah, that's my analysis for GG for next week. I'll be more comfortable buying than selling, right? However, US 30, I already mentioned that. Yeah, but that's it. Those are my 3 pairs. So hope you guys took notes on that. Keep that in mind. I'll probably mention it next week too anyways, so but if you guys liking the stream so far, leave a like on the stream. And you can proudly say that you're here before it blows up. Yeah, US 30 closed to the range and came back up. That's why we moved stops to entry on this trade. Because like I said, that this kind of closed bearish, and so the chances of it playing out wasn't as high as if it were to close bullish. If this kind of were to close bullish, this probably would have played out. But since it closed bearish, that's why we moved stops to entry. It still didn't break this low, but since it closed bearish, the chance of it filling this wick and breaking the low is higher than the chance of it going up. So that's why we got out. But this is the same move we got on with gold and GJ today. So I'll take this trade 1,000 times. But it's not like we lost on this trade. We broke even on this trade. So GJ 30-minute closed bearish. We have a nice support resistance here. Let's see. We can come down to let's delete this chart. So this is a fresh start. Let's see, we got nice support here. Got nice resistance right here. 30-minute resistance. Tap a high. Kind of close bearish. So once you break below this, we should come down. So I'm guessing this area. Support. Let's see, how many pips is this? 13. It's a bad risk to reward. Not good, not good. And also the previous 1 hour candle hasn't closed yet too, so. Yeah. This wouldn't be my ideal trade. See what it does. Wouldn't really answer on like this though, because the hourly time frame hasn't closed yet, and the previous candle was bullish, and it didn't break the low or anything. So price is still bullish unless it breaks its low overall. Because it's kind of still reversing Photo's wick. But if we close bullish around here, I can probably look for a buy up. Because you can anticipate that this is bottom of the range. Yes. Hey, Jimmy, you took any trades today? No, right?
Just GU.
Oh.
Like quick buy. I should have held like a little bit more, but
At least you made most of that GJ back from last night.
yeah. I just got 17 more,
Yeah.
and then this. I was looking at it before I went to sleep. I'm like, am I really just gonna get hold like that? Two U30s. And
Yo, Tati.
shit's scary.
Yeah, looking at gold, once it breaks this high, it should continue to go up. It's just your stops will have to be down here. If you want to be aggressive, you can put a buy stop here and have your stops below here. But the chances of it hitting stops and continuing to go up is way higher than for it to respect this low and go up. So I'll be more comfortable with my stops below here and going up than actually just putting it here for it to go up. Because it might hit stop and then just go up because it's bullish. And this is a low of the previous candle. Unless you want to do like the previous 15-minute candle low, like which is right here. You could do that as well. But this target looks very valuable. I mean, very probable. Or have a buy stop up there, stops below here if you guys thinking about it. Our spreads, 8 pips, not bad. Yeah, I was about to break the high. Should be good to go up here. I want to see why not. New York too. Just open and 30 minutes ago, so this should push it up further.
Might swing GU.
For a buy.
Yeah. I'm waiting for another. I'm waiting for another retest before I put in another position now. I'd swing it, but just hold it for like the rest of the day. I woke up earlier, bro. Got the buy-in from freaking down there. Put my stops like up that. Wait, went up. Just let this shit ride, chill for the day. But now, look at me, waking up late, missing every movement.
It's not too late yet. Still get some shit in.
Yeah.
But yeah, obviously this morning would have been
Oil's
better.
still playing out how he said the other day on the stream, bro.
Yeah.
It's at 17.
Yeah, 17.
Oh, brother.
Oh shit! I said it today actually. Someone said earlier, would you be looking for buys? And I said no, because our target is 1759, and it just tapped that area today. Like, so if you guys took oil, obviously no, I don't think anyone took oil, but that was just my analysis, because the weekly level, it should it tapped this area right here. So yeah, I saved whoever just said I'm gonna look for buys on oil. Definitely not buying oil right now. Do not buy oil yet. For buy oil, I need to, for like from a couple of days for it to range, and just like you need something, and just buy it right now. Because the chance of it tapping this support again is very high. If you got entry down here, I suggest you taking profits because for a buy. I mean, if you got in a buy right here, I suggest you taking profits because it should tap this area and retest the low again.
Yeah.
Should fill his wick on a 5 minute.
Looking at the monthly, bro, it's going to that 2001 low, bro. At this point.
2001. That was a year. That was 1 year after I was born.
Yeah. Who would have thought?
Yeah, if it breaks this weekly level though, however, if we do break this level, we could be seeing 16. If you break 16, then we're gonna go down, all the way down, 1333. You break 1333.
That's to break 17, 18 from 2001, and then after that, it's gonna be 16. Yeah, this is 1 week I see. It was in November 10th. Yeah, it's going for that week. Wow. Who would have thought? Gas gonna be $1. I'm gonna be driving around for fun, looking ass.
Yeah, GG, gold's about to fly. If you guys took a trade, gold is about to break this high and just continue going up.
FOMO.
You? Nah, you want to trade it, just stay out. If I were to enter his trade, my stops would have to be below here in this 15-minute candle. A 50 pip stop. But that's just what the market gives me. I can't have a stop here because like the chances of it hitting entry and coming up is very high, and I hate when that shit happens. That's why my stop's a little wider. GG is about to break this low. 30 minute. The 1 hour is still bullish though. The previous one, so let's see. If this candle closes bearish, then you can say the next candle's gonna come down further. But this will be a little risk. This is a trade I took an Asian last night, and I learned from my mistakes. I wasn't thinking straight last night during Asian.
Shit, I'm lucky. I'm not even lucky. It's just like good shit that I took that fucking $30. It was worse than fucking 70.
Mm-hmm.
It's a negative 70
Mhm.
now. I'm like, alright, bro. I'm gonna wait this shit out. Once I seen that shit hit 30, I'm like, I was supposed to close like when I did that top of the candle push, but I was like, I'm gonna hold it for a little bit more, and then I was like, nah, bro. I'll just fucking shoot that shit up. It's that last push.
Yeah, GG looking like if the previous candle wasn't bullish, I would probably take a sell here, but it's looking like it's gonna do like this. This candle broke the low of this right there, so this candle should just start reforming up. But you guys should just say that this candle's are gonna come down and wick this support. Are gonna close like this, the nice wick. It's breaking the previous low, right? So the momentum it has to come down further is high. Gold, if you guys took it, you guys should be in profit soon. My trade for gold would have been something like this. Buy stop right there. Here. With my stops. My stops would have been below here, and my target would be easily here. Right, there's absolutely no traffic, so why not? This would be my trade if I took it. I didn't take it. Oh, let me call for VIP though. Fuck, it's too late. Yes, what I mean? I just said that and it went up. They're like, oh, VIP is coming. I should just go up now. Yeah, it's too late now. Shit, it's already like 20 pips in profit. See, if it comes back down to entry, I'll probably call it. TP. Oh fuck, I was gonna enter. I was gonna press enter for the signal. It's just going. It can't. It doesn't want to come back to entry. Yeah, because it broke this high, so showing that the momentum it has to go push up further is very high. Very, very high. Let's see, I think it's around entry right now. I'm gonna call by. Yeah. Called it. Stop loss is below here because we entered this base off the 15. So the chances of it, if it breaks below here, it's gonna go down further. Right, but if it respects this counts about closing 2 minutes, if it closes bullish, which I'm thinking it should just continue going up. If it closes bearish in 2 minutes, I'm probably gonna close. I'm just anticipating it's a buy stop. I'm just anticipating that's gonna continue going up further. Because once the 30-minute closes, okay, cool, you can now move your stops to here, right? But we gotta close bullish, we gotta close strong bullish. But right now, our stops are here. See, we got a minute left. I'm tired. 1 hour's about to close bullish too. This candle has to close bullish. Oh man, we have a minute. What's it gonna do? What you gonna do, GJ? Let me see. Move. Yeah, so if it closes bullish, move my stops down to here. It's gonna be a tighter stop. Yeah, so this candle closed bullish. So I'm expecting this low to get respected. I mean the 15 closed, sorry, the 15 closed bullish, so I'm expecting this low to get respected for it to go up because there's no point of having this unnecessary stop loss now. Because now this is the current candle. So it should respect this to go up. If it doesn't respect this, then it's not gonna go up. It's gonna come back down here, and then at that point you're just losing unnecessary money. So that's why our stop loss should be there if you guys are in this trade. I didn't take it because I traded too much today, but something I would take. So yeah, GJ, as you guys probably see, 30-minute close bearish, so the chances of it coming down is very high. Right? Yeah, 30-minute close bearish. Or 15. The 15 close bearish, so the chances of it coming down. Gold is currently back at entry level. Stops are tired now, so that's a good thing. So instead of like, how many pips was it before? It was before it was 50 pips, now it's only 29 pips, 30 pips. Not bad. So now we're anticipating that this is a 30-minute low. You see what I mean? This is the second half of the 15-minute candle. So we're anticipating this is the first half of the 30-minute candle. So we're entering the second half of this candle too. So the 30-minute candle should push up during the second half. Because if this does push up the tapis area, then when NYC opens at 9:30, it should do some unnecessary push all the way up to something random, maybe like here or something. But we're just getting in right here because this is a great opportunity. Where is Sam, bro? It's 9 a.m. This guy's not up. Yo, how are your gold spreads right now?
Right now it is 101.
Oh, it's not bad.
So much opportunity yesterday.
Today?
Yesterday.
Oh. I honestly think I see more opportunities today. I don't know why. It's a Friday. It doesn't make sense.
The only opportunity I wanted was a freaking US30 bike app. That's the only one I wanted. And I wanted to be trading with it. Since I took that L, I think this is right.
It's all good. Robin?
I woke up earlier, man. Damn, I hate waking up late.
It is what it is.
It doesn't. Like, it don't feel right waking up at 8 or like 7:30. Like 6 o'clock. Yeah, it's the move, man.
Yeah.
So,
What's
bro,
the move?
when I wake up, I just need to get like straight out there.
If you guys took gold, we're currently 10 pips in profit. Feel free. The 15-minute, once you break that 15-minute high, the previous one, we should continue pushing up. Because this wick doesn't get filled. So once this wick gets filled, I could potentially move stops to entry. Or I can just let it run. So I'm gonna see how it looks at that point. But I'm hoping just blasts passes 15-minute high. Because this is a weak 15-minute high. Very weak candle. So once you push past that, we should be able to push further up. If you guys took it, you guys should be in profit. Barely, but still profit. 10 pips or something. Yeah, so the 15 just broke the high. So this candle should just continue going up. MT4 just broke the high. Yeah, once the 30-minute closes, then you could this stop loss would be more comfortable because then a new candle will form and your stop would be here if you enter on the next candle. So just think of everything as like, if you enter here, where you put your stop loss. That's how I think of it. If I enter here, on the next candle, I'll put my stop loss below here, and that's why my stop loss keeps moving all the time. So hope it closes bullish. It should. Then I can look for more entries. That's when you stack, not now, but later. Yeah, so GJ came down and tapped the support area. It broke this low and then tapped the support area, like I said. So the chances of it coming down further is likely. Because the 1 hour is going to break the low. And then at this point, you can probably say, okay, if you pop an entry now, your stops have to be up here though, and your target will be down here. But you gotta wait for a 30-minute close. Yeah, this should easily come down here now, this target. Staying right here.
I don't care what people say. Purple rain.
Oh, that's just fire. That's fire. When did it drop again? Yo, when did that album drop? Purple Rain?
2016.
Oh yeah, 2016.
Shit hard as hell.
If you guys look at GJ, we made a resistance and price made a support, right? So when price makes a resistance, it has to tap the high again eventually, and then it has to tap the low because it made a strong move down. So I guess it's just following the trend now, and so it should tap the support again. That's what it is. And if you have a bullish candle here, you can probably buy it up back up to here, but that's for later. If you guys took this trade too, you guys should be in profit for this, as well as gold. Gold is currently pushing up too. We're like 20 pips in profit. Damn, man, I can't miss today. If this gold trade goes good, oh, if it taps target, it's going good right now, but if it taps target, then all I would do is, I didn't answer, but all I would do is just boost my confidence up. That's all that matters. As long as I guess the direction. Close in 5 minutes, guys. So let's see what it does. 5-minute close bullish. This candle looks like it might close bearish. Yo, I actually popped the GGSL here. I got in right here for short at a sell stop. I was talking about it, and I actually had a target here. It was like a 1-to-1 around there. So I'll stop around here. Let's take a risk free now. My third trade of the day. I didn't enter gold, but I entered GG. So gold is currently bearish. If it breaks its low, it's gonna come down. Because this is a 30-minute low, right? So this kind of has to close bearish. I mean, this kind of has to close bullish. Sorry, not bearish. Yeah, I think I got stopped on gold. I got stopped on gold. Well, I didn't take it, but I think you guys got stopped out because this kind of broke the low of that 30-minute, 15-minute. So now it should just continue coming down to here. however GJ is currently playing out. Yeah, gold is thing about gold is that it's still bullish. It didn't the hourly count's about to close soon, and it didn't break this low at 1988. And like I'm saying, the chance our stop loss was like more of an aggressive stop loss for this trade than a more of a bigger stop loss. My if I were to enter this trade, my stop loss would have to be below this 1 hour candle. That's why I didn't take it. It would have to be here, but there's no way I'm gonna risk 100 pips. That's why, because the chances of it coming back up is very highly. Because this is the 15-minute low, right? And the chance of it breaking the 15-minute low and coming back up later, because the hourly is gonna close bullish, is very high. So that's why I didn't really take this trade. But yeah, we got stopped out. We broke the low here, so we should come down to fill this range right here. I just don't know what it's gonna do here. You gotta see for the hourly candle. Chart, sir. Analysis was given. Yeah, but you guys see what I mean by unnecessary stop loss though? Like if you have your stop loss here, there's no point. Just have it here. Cause now you're just risking an extra 30 pips. You know what I mean? That's what I mean by unnecessary stop loss. So trade called right here. Gold negative 30 pips. Plus for true. So you guys gonna see that this gold closed bullish hourly. It didn't close above here, but you can anticipate the move to go up still. Just kind of close no wick to the top, meaning that this chance of it respecting this low to come up is very high. Very, very high. Even though the 30-minute closed bearish and the 1 hour, the 15-minute closed bearish, but the 1 hour still closed bullish. And I think the 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour closed, oh, the 4 hour closed bearish, but the 1 hour looks very clean for a buy. We just trade gold though, so I wouldn't really look for another entry. If you took an L on gold, just step away from the charts. Like if you take an L, like don't revenge, don't try to enter the same trade again. Just chill out. Come on, GJ, push down. Oh, let me look at your chart. Got you. So you would answer buy. Current candle close bullish above this range. Goodbye. Yes, because then you have a nice wick to fill. This is USD CAD, right? Let me see how the hourly candle looks. Hold on. USD CAD. I haven't touched this pair in a while. 30-minute close bullish. Yeah. The 1 hour close bearish. Yeah, I wouldn't really look for a buy. Cause we had a nice support formed right here, and then price failed to break this high. It closed bullish, but it was a doji and it was very weak. But the overall 4 hour and 1 hour both closed bearish. So I wouldn't really look for a buy right now. I'll be more comfortable selling. Probably can come down to here. USD CAD. Your stops have to be up here though. Target will be down here. But yeah. Nothing happened on this candle because it opened here and it closed here, so just cover that up. Oh, GJ moving nice. Yeah, I moved my stops on GJ down to this top of this candle. I closed half already. I honestly thought gold was gonna close bullish. Give me a whoopty whoop. I wouldn't be surprised if it keeps buying those fills wick. It's just this is what I mean by aggressive stop losses. Tight. Yeah, the 4 hour closed bearish anyways, right? Because it was bullish at one point and then eventually it closed bearish. It came up to 99 and then would have closed up here bullish, like a good bullish too, a very nice bullish, but then it closed bearish. So the last like 2 minutes, so that's sus. I don't know if it was me, but I just picked the right trades today to enter. Oh man.
What the?
How do you hold after hitting stop loss? What?
So
Huh?
What kind of question is that?
Google.
What?
Google.
How do you hold after hitting stop loss? You either remove the stop loss or you
I was like,
you were on the
I'm not
channel.
trying to be a dickhead, but did you think before asking that shit?
Oh no, gold. Oh, I meant gold, my bad. Oh, come on. I sent a gold signal. Look, I sent a typo in VIP. I was like, I said gold stop loss hit, but I guess I used H instead of G. But like, it's like common sense, you know, like what else hit stop loss? I don't know. No, I know Raj, I guess. Pissed whenever he asks his questions. Does your dribble and GG move similar? Yeah, it does. The yen, it moves similar. That's why I kind of like EJ. I look at it sometimes. It's a pretty good pair. Let me add it to my list. Yeah, cause oh yeah, nice. It looks like it's gonna sell down. Daily time frame. Back to yesterday's high. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, they move very similar. Like it looks like very nice. Gold is pushing. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Just hourly close low sus. Yeah, cause this hourly closed bullish and now it's filling a wick. See, this is what I mean by aggressive stop loss. My ideal trade would have been a stop loss down here. That's why I said earlier, it might hit stop loss and come back up. Right? We just entered on the 30-minute because that was the best thing we had at that point. Because I was expecting this 30-minute close bullish and this low to get respected, but it didn't get respected and it just came back down. And then now it's coming back up. But nothing you can do about that. But the direction is right, the analysis is right. So let's see where it goes. It should go up because it broke the previous hourly high. Entries would have been at 94.
Alright. You buy? On the way.
You sound a little tired, Jimmy.
So what?
You sound a little tired.
Tired as hell, man. Ugh.
Oh man, oil. Oh man. It broke this low. Man, we should be headed to 1676. I'm not surprised if it hits today. Not surprised.
Or a few more minutes, really.
What? What happened?
Might hit in a few more minutes, to be honest.
Yo, and then 1 minute. Straight drop.
Nah, not 1 minute, like a few more.
Be crazy. Yeah, it's just moving.
Yeah, cause there's some news I read a few minutes ago. I forgot. Yeah, it involved oil though. They said they imported a lot of oil from the Middle East. So shit, that's probably why it's dropping like that. But shit, low price gas, not a problem with me, man. Then do donuts in the middle of the street for fun, right? Just playing. Fuck no, that's just serious, huh? You can't die?
Yeah, I got stopped though on GJ in profit. Closed half earlier and my runner got stopped out. So there's my trade. It never broke this low too. So that's it. My 3 trades. I think I got on this trade like 7 pips. Man, Goldery just stopped us all like that. so clean, this candle. Just that the 4-hour closed bearish for no reason. Like the last, now we're breaking the high of the 4-hour candle. So like the chance of it coming up to here, like 1707 area is very high. Might deal with some resistance here first. 1704. Damn. Think of it as a fake out on a 1 hour. The 4 looks nasty. Like it's a sell, but the 1 hour is bullish. Yeah. Gold spastic. 1700, yes.
I might go back to swinging, bro.
Swinging?
Yeah.
I don't have patience for it. Like my trades turn to swing sometimes, but I don't know.
I need to start developing patience again, bro.
Like I don't call myself a scalper. I just call myself just a day trader. Just because the trades move so quick once it breaks out, like with my style of trading, waiting for breakouts. Because like obviously you can't trade in a range, so some people consider swinging it because like they're entering it when it's in a range and you gotta wait days for it to break out. But you can just wait for it to break out of range because they usually try to catch the bottom or top of the range or whatever. So they're waiting for that to break out of the range and it might take a while to break out. So that's why I think some people call it swinging. The trade might take longer, but like I don't know. If you just wait for it to break out, it just moves way faster. So you wouldn't really consider it a swing.
Yo, it's good.
Bro,
Yo,
you missed
pick that ass up, boy.
everything, bud.
Me too.
What'd you catch?
GJ. 47 pips for me today.
Jeez.
I called gold buys for 40 pips and I called gold buys for negative 30 pips. So like 10 pips there. But yeah. Where are you, bro? I didn't expect Friday to be a good day.
Straight to sleep.
Yeah, I realized
Yeah,
you always lack on Fridays.
Today.
I wasn't planning too, but I'm like, yo, this shit's so it was like the best day. Like of the week, I'm saying today's the best day.
Damn.
Just have a look at GJ. Just look how clean everything looks.
Wait, are you still looking at something or no?
Nah. But like, no, I'm saying in general, like, just look how these moves, like the 30-minute stuff everything just looks so clean. My first trade of the day was down here for the buy. It's kind of close bullish support. Bought it up.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, look very clean today.
It's all good. I overtraded this week, so I'm gonna just say that.
You traded ever since the Asian last night or no?
No.
Yeah, I might call it a week. For nothing much anymore.
Yeah, today's Friday, no?
Yeah. It's also a short week too, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna just watch the recap.
was a long stream, man. you you watched a full 2 hours?
Are you still screaming? No, I'm gonna.
Yeah, yeah, just watch the beginning. The most of the shit happened in the beginning. But nah. I also started late the stream late 'cause I was waiting for you guys to hop on, so I'm like, fuck, I might as well just start it.
That sounds dumb.
'Cause Jimmy
Damn,
came on like
DJ
I
was clean.
yeah.
Yo,
What happened?
cause bro, I thought my 5 o'clock alarm went on, right? So I'm usually waking up on my 5 o'clock alarm. So I was like, all right, this is my 5 o'clock alarm. I'm gonna get it 20 minutes of sleep. I didn't even look at the clock. I was like, all right, I just know it. Okay, woke up. It was 7:30. I'm like, yo, did I sleep too long, or was that just like a long time?
Bro, we're getting no sleep all week.
Could y'all sleep at like 1 a.m.?
Yeah, later, bro. 2, 3 every night.
Oh no, can't do that no more, man.
Yeah.
Okay. No, like, I need to stop doing that shit. I used
Yeah, I
to
need
do
to
it
get
a
my
lot,
shit.
but ever since this break I'm on, I just been going to sleep a lot. Hella rest.
Saying the best day was a Friday, bro.
Friday?
Yeah, the best day was a Friday.
Yep, it was. I'm not gonna
So
lie.
You didn't actually take that gold buy?
No, I didn't take it. I didn't take it. But like, we got yo. So I was trying to explain to them like, we entered the goal, the negative 31. This one, right? So this one closed bullish. I put my stops below the 15-minute candle, right? It's kind of like I put it. It was aggressive stop loss. We entered like right here. We came up, so I moved my stops below here. But like my ideal trade was as long as it respects the 1 hour low right here, it's gonna go up. So what happened was it hit that stop loss, it broke that low, but in the 1 hour it still respected this low. So like,
Yeah.
it's still gonna go up. So like I'm like, shit. So that's why I tried telling you the other day. I was like, yo, a lot of times when like, you might hit stop loss and just go back up. The stop's a little too tight. I don't know. Like the 15-minute broke the low. The 30-minute like broke the low. Like it didn't really close. And it's just fucked. But it's whatever. Yeah, I didn't take gold. I took gold earlier, I think. But no, I didn't. I never traded gold today. No. I was only in GJ.
GJ buy was too beautiful.
Yeah, it was pretty clean. Nice shit. This one was clean. It was like at 6 a.m. I was like, fuck.
Wake that ass up.
Wake that ass up, boy.
I'm not, bro. I need to start waking up early. Super early.
Yeah, I like the moves at like 6 a.m. 6:30. Like I might start streaming at 6:30 instead.
Yeah.
Like I don't know. I guess like the more I stream, the earlier I want to wake up. Cause like it's sick when you're like you wake up and you're like you're excited for your job. Go to work. You're excited to go to work.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Yeah. Like it's pretty cool when you're excited to go to work every day. Cause when I worked part time, I was not excited to go to work.
I hate this shit. I hate this shit.
Bro, it's like for school, you have to wake up at like 7 every morning, and I would literally show up late for school every single morning, and then like
7?
Yeah,
Oh
so
yeah,
I
wake up at
wake-
7. Yeah.
yeah,
I used to go to school early. I don't know why. Shit,
Damn, bro.
You know, I live like right next to the school. I just be going early to say like, look at my friends, the breakfast table, shit, lit as fuck.
Yeah, I'm waking up at 6 like this weekend though to get my sleep schedule right, cause it's just fucked up, bro. I smoke too much weed, like I get.
Like go, same. That's my routine. Like right before I go to sleep, I hit my fucking vape pen like 4 or 5 times to go straight to sleep.
Yeah, I just ball it before I go to sleep, but like it just like I don't know. Sometimes like it just makes me like sleep right through my alarm. Like I just get so slumped.
Yeah. Nah, bro. That's my routine now, bro. After a good trading day, so eat, chill on sticks, and then smoke some weed at night. Wake up. Too good. Yeah, I'm gonna just do this GJ trade. I said GJ, GU trade, and just hold this bitch. See going up today.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably not gonna take a trade because 9:30 on a Friday. I don't know. I'm not with that.
All I know is this pullback. Yeah, it's gonna take out the late buy. It's gonna be hell, bro. That shit's gonna drop. Shoot through the fucking roof.
Hey, what if I told you guys
But
I took a gold buy here.
Where?
Down here, this hourly candle. Cause like I didn't take the first one, right? And I didn't take the first one because, and I also didn't call this one because I already called that first. I didn't take the first one because I wanted my stop loss to be the 1 hour low, and it was so big because it was up here at this point, and it was like such a big. It was like 80 pip stop loss. I'm like, I don't want that stop loss. But then I wasn't expecting this hourly candle to close like this. When it closed like this, I was like, yo, this is a perfect buy opportunity. So I kind of entered on it, but I didn't want to call it again or say anything because I didn't want you guys to enter another trade and then two L's for a day. My spreads are 9 pips, 1 pip, 1 pip.
I need that ECN ASAP. Oh shit! I just got it. Let's go.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Wait, you can transfer funds from like account to account, right?
Yep. Go transfer. Go transfer. Yeah, my gold spreads are like 1 pip right now for some reason. I don't know why. 3 pips, 2 pips.
Gold spreads are 1 pip?
Yes. Gold
Bro,
spreads.
What?
Right now,
Bro,
it's like jumping between like
50,
20,
60, 70,
20,
90, bruh.
It's
What?
Like jumping
Oh wait,
between,
wait. What am I saying? No. It's
It's like
oh,
2 3. It's like
no,
2
to
3
the
pips.
left.
It's like
No,
2 3 pips.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's like it's
2
like
3 pips.
it's like 8 pips. Shit,
Yeah.
I fucking forgot. It's like yeah.
Not 80 pip.
Probably good.
Imagine.
Right now.
Yo, never trade Bitcoin on Vantage. That shit's like 100 pips.
I don't think they have it. I didn't even know they had it.
They had it. You only trade when it's open though. Like on weekdays.
It's always open though.
No, you can't trade during weekends. That's what I mean.
Oh, dang.
Remember this one time, bro? I answered a BTC buy on Vantage. It was my first time, bro. Over the weekend, I gapped up 30,000 pips. Or no, not 30,000 pips. It was like 300 pips or 3,000 pips. I forgot, but it was something like that. It was such a big move, but I closed before the weekend because I was like, yo, I don't like the spreads. It was my first time trying Bitcoin. It was so stupid.
You know.
Yeah, I never touched on Bitcoin ever since that day on that broker. It was like May last year or something. Yeah, just topped my day off. Wasn't expecting to enter this, but like I had to. There was no way I would miss this move. Cause this broke the high. This broke the high, but yeah. Oh no, man. It was so clean. And I feel bad for not calling it, but then again, if it hit stop loss, then I'll feel even worse. So that's why I didn't call it.
Fuck, bruh. I don't think I can transfer because the account I opened is in USD and the one that I had before is in CAT.
You can transfer it, no?
I don't know. I feel like you should be able to, but
yeah, you can.
Oh, wait,
Go to account transfers. It should. I've seen it. I did it before. I did it for this account.
From different currencies.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I did it. I did it for this account.
Okay, but.
If anything, live chat with them and tell them they'll do it for you. Quick time.
Do that shit now, peasant. Bruh, I'm trying to move to Kuwait. There you go, man. That shit too expensive.
Yeah, close half on gold here.
I've had like 2 profitable weeks in a row though, so.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good.
Change the leverage on this bit.
Yeah, I didn't close it. Close half. GJ. So if it's 30-minute GJ closes bullish. Actually, no. Wrong pair.
That card you mean that Don made? That shit, you have me dead as fuck, man.
Cardi meme?
Yeah, the one where he's in the studio.
Oh
I got
yeah.
bars.
Well, how
Yeah, I showed my friends that shit. Like, I was thinking, concert group chat, bro. They was dead as fuck at this shit. They was like, "Come on, bro, not Cardi." I'm like, "Bro, I didn't make this. My boy did." It was dead as fuck, bro. I got bars. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day, man.
Yep.
What's tomorrow?
I'm just chilling with the homies and shit.
Yeah.
Shoot some gun.
You know what? It's a Friday. I'm gonna close the position. Like, might as well. 40 pips, 50 pips. Close off here, guys. Just
Oh shit, you can only trade certain pairs, eh?
Nah, add it to your list. You can trade everything.
Oh, plus. Oh yeah.
Yeah, use the
It's all
plus.
plus?
Yeah, use the plus ones. Sometimes I entered one of the no pluses by accident. I just
Like it's only the good spreads for the ones with the plus, right?
yeah.
Is that what it is?
I don't really see anything else. I think it's just gonna arrange the rest of the day. I think the day is done. I think the day is done. Like looking at GJ, there's no more volume. It's kind of dead now.
Yeah, bro, spreads are way better. I don't know, gold is like the same, it looks like, but GJ under a pip.
The life.
Fucking can't transfer it.
Damn.
What happened?
I'm gonna contact their support.
Realty support? Yes.
No, motherfucker, you would not try to finesse the system. Man, I'm so dead. That's their fucking excuse for everything. Slippage. What? Sir?
I mean, yes. Oh fuck, it's too late. I was gonna say, it's a nice opportunity here to pop a buy on this candle. Stops
Oh, wait,
below
do you need
here.
a minimum so what's the minimum
Minimum is
deposit?
500, but I think you can just transfer it over, no?
Yeah.
Because you already
Should be able to
deposited
just transfer
500.
it then.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have like 1100 CAD in my account, so I don't know. Like,
Oh, you brought it up to 11?
yeah.
That's gonna be like 790, 780 USD or some shit.
I might just. I don't know.
800. You're gonna have to use lower lot sizes though, for a little bit.
Why?
Cause then you're gonna have a lower account size, no?
What?
Cause then you're gonna have a lower account size once you transfer it over to USD. It's gonna be 800 instead of 1.1.
No, I use the same lots because it's the same value.
Oh. I mean, yeah.
Like if you go on the pip calculator thing or whatever,
No,
like
because
the
the
app.
account balance is gonna be at 700 instead.
No, but you just select the currency and then it calculates the risk based on the currency.
Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah. I guess you. Yeah. Yeah.
I should have made it CAD though, because I'm just gonna be withdrawing with CAD anyway.
Yeah, but it just feels more per trade. Let's say you get like $10 per trade. You can be like, oh,
Just like bank, right?
that's like 15.
I might open a GBP.
I might start to withdraw on fucking.
What do you see, Jimmy? GDP account?
I might GBP.
I was thinking.
Bro, I slick when I do it, but then again, like, no, it's not worth it. It's worth it, but not worth it. GBP.
Yeah, market is just ranging right now. If you guys like the stream, please leave a like up. For some reason, a lot of stuff was moving today. Don't know why. It's a Friday, but it is what it is. Not gonna complain.
Maybe today was like a Thursday.
Yeah, maybe it's like a Thursday since it was a short week. I didn't really like this week. Now it was gonna be a short week. A little sus. And yesterday was a Wednesday. Technically. Yesterday was probably the worst day, I think, or 2 days ago. Was yesterday bad? I forgot.
Yesterday wasn't bad. I don't think.
No, the day before was
Yesterday
bad.
good.
Yesterday we
the day
had one
before.
loss, but I think yeah. So
We made that
some
back
good
like
ones.
next straight. It was a 12 pip loss, and then we got like, I think it was a 20 pip game, right? 20 or 34, I forgot. Something like that.
Someone says I think the US30 gap's gonna close.
Shit. You chart, my friend.
I mean, it
Yeah,
broke the
remember-
low. It has a high chance of coming down to 23870.
Like, all gaps closed is just like, you don't know when it's going to close.
Jimmy, you enter any trades?
I just got in one GU, like a quick scalp, and then I just got in another one. I'm gonna hold it for the day, cause I'm
Well,
looking
buy?
at FOREX, it looks like, yeah, it looks like it's gonna like go up. For sure.
Yeah.
'Cause, like,
This
it tested
candle.
this support a lot.
This candle broke I think it broke this high. So once this candle breaks this high, it should easily come up to fill this wick. And then eventually break that and come up to fill this range. And if it breaks this range, then go up further. But it has a first pass this, and it should be good. Once it passes, it should be like risk free once it gets here. It should be good. Clean.
Yeah, let's put stops at entry. I'm just gonna let this shit right.
The daily hasn't broken the high yet, so, and it hasn't broken the low, so it's kind of stuck in this. Yeah, but once it breaks the high, it should be breaking the 4-hour high as well of this one. So
How long does it take to make withdrawals through Vantage usually?
use what? Oh, takes like I think 4 days. Around like sometimes it's weird. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 days. Sometimes it takes like 5 days. It's weird. Try
You
making
ever
one.
had You ever had any problems?
No, never.
Yeah, but
Maybe when I first started, I needed something ID in, because obviously, but that's it.
Not a real ID, motherfucker. You cannot lie to me. I seen this chick way before.
You were trading the VIX volatility.
Bruh, hell no. You gotta get a fucking South African ID. I'm dead. Told people don't do that shit, bro. Like, yeah,
bro,
the
when they
money's
ask
fine.
when they ask for the bank address, they ask like it's like some next thing, right? It's like the like Canada bank address for Scotiabank.
Damn.
Isn't it something like that?
No, binary.com is in South Africa.
What?
Yeah, binary.com. Like,
Wait, when you
wanna make-
when you withdraw from your thing and then like it asks you for your bank address.
Oh no.
Do you remember like at all? Or...
Nah.
Bruh, fuck, bruh.
Don't remember.
I don't know if I should use my local bank or like some next bank.
Shit. Local.
Shit.
Most likely.
I'm so happy I closed up here. Oh man. Oh man.
So Don, do you know
What happened?
if I want to withdraw like if I want to withdraw and then like I press it asks you like what like fuck. It asks you what's your bank or some shit. Hold on. Bank address.
Look for the address.
Yeah, do you put like your local bank or like
Yeah,
your, like...
no, like your the bank that you signed up with.
Oh, so okay.
Yeah. So I don't know where it is, but yeah, mine's like wherever I just put that, the one that I signed up with. Should be good. I don't think it even matters. Like you can put a local one, but like, yeah, it's just so that if they have any questions, they'll contact them directly. But it should be good.
Bank beneficiary name is mine name, right?
Yeah. Yes.
MCAD. What the hell is that?
Wait. Yeah, I think so.
MCAD. Oh, I thought that was a currency pair. That's a freaking indicator. Like, why? Bro, I wish they had a Kuwait exotic on the FOREX. I'll buy the fuck out of that shit, bro. USD Kuwait. I'll buy the fuck out of that shit.
Boy, you in the pairs.
No, but they won't have it. Kuwait too rich to. Up.
Your bank account number is like what's like on your statements, right?
Yeah. Just go on your your app, whatever, and there should be like a direct deposit information. You'll find shit there. But my bank has it.
Bro, I remember the first time I made a withdrawal, I thought I sent you the wrong PTC address. I was sad as fuck, bro. But nah, it just like takes long. That's why I didn't know at first when I first started trading. I'm like, no, bro, I sent you the wrong fucking address. I ain't gonna get my fucking money. I'm fucked up. I know that shit hit my bank. I'm like, hey, lady, good.
Yo, wait, Cardi didn't drop, right?
Nope.
Nah.
Monday.
I think it's gonna drop today. The song.
Nah.
The Drake song.
Oh, the song, yeah. But I thought the album.
'Cause that video's gonna drop, I'm pretty sure. It's done.
Don't leak it.
I'm pretty sure it's for Ian Connor's Pickle brand.
Yeah, they did the promo video shit.
I'm pretty sure it's
Yeah, Twitter.
it's mainly just because it's his director that's doing it. It's not even Drake's production. And anyone from Drake's team or Cardi's team is Ian Connor's. Or from Pain friend. USD is straight dropping. Yeah, USD looking to come down in here. Broke the low in the 4 hour. Closed bullish here, but broke the low that
Euro
bearish.
USD.
Bullish.
Euro USD. This is a good pair.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the Friday stream here. If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like up. I'm gonna catch you guys next week on Monday. So next week's gonna be a full week, so it should be a lot better. So see you guys next week.
Alright, cool.
Seven.